Hello, and welcome to Grimlore Manor. I'm Thomas Willeford, and this is Meet Your Maker. This piece here was great. It was actually made for a small museum exhibit, and it was about, they said building a better mousetrap, and I thought, what better way to make a better mousetrap than make something that actually doesn't wait for the mice? It goes and hunts them down. Has a little radar dish to find them, a little 2mm Gatling gun to take them out, and if they get too close, it has these lovely death blades to decapitate the little blighters. I've always thought that that watch bands looked like tank treads, so that's why I've got these here, which inspired me to make this. But this is almost all made of clock parts. All of that stuff, all of this, all made from clocks.